Welcome to our channel. Webull app loading and login issues can prevent you from accessing your trading account, but these fixes will help. Step 1. Check Webull's server status by visiting their social media or website to see if there's a system-wide outage or maintenance. Step 2. Force. Quit the Webull app completely. Clear it from your device's recent apps, and then relaunch it. Step 3. Verify your internet connection is working properly by testing other apps and websites on your device. Step 4. Update the Webull app to the latest version available in your App Store to ensure you have the newest bug fixes. Step 5. Clear the Webull app cache through your device settings on Android, or delete and reinstall the app on iPhone. Step 6. Check that your login credentials are correct and try resetting your password if you've forgotten it. Step 7. Disable any VPN or proxy services you're using, as these can sometimes interfere with Webull's security protocols. Step 8. Contact Webull customer support if the problem persists, providing your account information and screenshots of any error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.